shoes on?
Have I got what?
Oh, I said, have you got shoes on?
Yeah. I didn't expect that. I don't know what I was expecting.
It's going to be a lot better than you thought, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, it's loads better.
Oh, it's pristine, isn't it?
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. You can't see me fucking frame them.
You won't?
Alright.
Yeah.
I take it it's been sandblasted,
Yeah, they powder coated it and shot blasted it.
shot blasted and powder coated. That is unbelievable. That is the cutest monkey frame ever.
Just when you spin it round and see the notch. Pull the finger off. Look, when you turn it round now, look underneath.
Wow. Look at that for a weld.
You wouldn't even know, would it?
No, that's perfect. That's far better than I even imagined. I just can't believe it's turned out so good.
You see, like where they've even like
Yeah.
they've
Oh no, I've seen all
every
that.
single nut and bolt.
Yeah.
Every single nut and bolt they've filled, so it obviously didn't fill with powder coat.
That is unreal.
The shine's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
You happy?
10 out of 10.
I know you got to build the fucking thing.
Oh, that's no problem. I'm all over it. Oh,
I've got them in the car.
oh, have you?
Yeah.
I might have some of the grommets anyway, but
That notch there, look. There.
yeah,
How good that is.
yeah. That one's even better. Just honest, it looks brand new, doesn't it?
It's a difference when it's a lot different when it's powder coated, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see where you've got all your fucking marks on it now.
It's the steam in the kitchen.
That's nice though.
Hi there everyone, welcome back to the channel. You'll have seen from previous videos that we took the little calf racer apart, put it all into boxes. Lots of new parts been ordered, not because I needed new parts, but just to make it more authentic for the 1960s style calf racer that I really wanted. Last year it went to the Prescott Bike Festival, took second place there in the National Bike Building Championships. This year I'm going to try hard for a first place. I'm replacing the Speedos because the ones I'd got on were kilometres per hour. I've ordered a new one. It's black body, got a white face, the original Smith's calf racer style Speedo. I've upgraded to 12-inch wheels, so we mentioned in the video that the frame would have to be stretched. I've actually done my son Simon, he's done the welding, done a great job on that. We've actually stretched that by around about 2 inches because the bigger wheels were coming up to the back of the cylinder head. Really was just a few mil. So we've done the stretch. It's been away to the powder coaters, been all sandblasted, cleaned, and the paint finish on this is just absolutely 10 out of 10. First class to this guy for doing this little job for us. So up to now, I've done the boring bits. I've put the swing arm back on. I've actually stripped down the forks, and I don't know whether you can see on the side here, but I've actually put the rubber gaiters that would have been on sort of a 1950s, 1960s style calf racer. The hardest part I'm having is, regardless of how I want it to look, it's scaling everything down to size, but we're doing well so far. watch the rest of the video. Let's see if we can get this little fella back on the road again. I've got an event in about 3 weeks' time and I'm hoping for that. Stay tuned. As you'll have seen from previous videos, we actually took the little calf racer apart. Now there was a reason for doing that, because I upgraded to 12-inch wheels. Originally they were 8-inch stock wheels, then I converted to 10-inch CRF chrome style wheels. What I really needed was a better stance, and I've gone up to 12-inch wheels here. One of the main problems we had was that upgrading to 12-inch meant that the wheels were a lot closer to the engine and weren't leaving a great deal of room there for manoeuvrability. The biggest thing we had to do was the 3-inch stretch on the frame. I needed the space between the wheel span. Not only did that incorporate a few problems along the way, the tankers actually shifted up, and the seat pod that I had originally, I've now had to get another one because that had been cut down to suit the little mini calf that we had. Along the way we've picked up some new goodies. There's a genuine Smith's speedometer. I've actually put, although it be a dummy, a damper on the top of the suspension just to make it look a bit more period looking. A 5-inch, 5.5-inch actually, 5.5-inch headlight, fully chrome. Also bit of mudguard drama. The original mudguards I had on were 10-inch. Now that these are 12-inch wheels, I ordered a 12-inch mudguard only to find that the proportion on it just didn't sit right. I actually got the 10-inch mudguards, and I've managed to fettle off, I have got it somewhere, about 3.5 inches, which is now given a shorter stock looking, bit more traditional calf. That ain't working, is it? That's the way you do it.